Today's lesson is mental addition within 20 by counting on. Addition. Addition is combining a number to another number. It means putting two amounts together. Let's look at the parts of an addition number sentence. This is an addition number sentence. 11 and 7 are the addends. 18 is the sum. This is the plus sign. And this is the equal sign. We can read this as 11 plus 7 equals 18. How do we read an addition number sentence? The example below is read as 18 plus 2 equals 20. Let's add by counting on. But before we begin, here are the steps to follow in mental addition. Step 1. Identify the bigger number. Step 2. Put the bigger number in your head. Step 3. Smaller number on your fingers. Step 4. Count on. Find the sum of 5 plus 7. We can carry out addition by counting on. First step is to identify the bigger number. In this example, 7 is the bigger number. Step 2. Put the bigger number in your head. So 7 in your head. Step 3. Smaller number on your fingers. Put 5 on your fingers. Step 4. Count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. Let's have some more examples. Let's add 4 and 7. First, identify the bigger number. 7 is the bigger number. Put 7 in your head. 4 on your fingers. Then count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 11. Let's add 3 and 9. First, identify the bigger number. 9 is the bigger number. Put 9 in your head. 3 on your fingers. Then count on from 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. Let's add 5 and 8. First, identify the bigger number. 8 is the bigger number. Put 8 in your head. 5 on your fingers. Then count on from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. Let's review. Here are the steps to follow in mental addition. Step 1. Identify the bigger number. Step 2. Put the bigger number in your head. Step 3. Put smaller number on your fingers. Step 4. Count on. Now that you know how to add until 20 by counting on, it's your turn to find the sum of the given number. Let's do this. Find the sum of 3 and 13. Sixteen. 13 plus 5 equals 18. 3 plus 17 equals 20. 15 plus 2 equals 17. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Identify the part of an addition sentence. Addend. Equal sign. Plus sign. Sum. Good job!